No one likes to waste food, so I'm going to show you what to do with your leftover spaghetti. This is my leftover Cacio pepe from my last recipe. Make sure you check that out. One of my favorite things about this recipe is it's leftover pasta. So you're using old ingredients, leftover pasta from last night to create an amazing dish that can substitute for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And what's fantastic, it doesn't matter what pasta you've made. You could have made a bolognese, carbonara, which I have a recipe on the channel for. It doesn't matter. This recipe is all about using old leftover ingredients to create something that is delicious, crunchy on the outside, and decadent, rich in the middle. All you need to do is make a super simple egg mix. So whisk together in a bowl some eggs and some cream, and then transfer that cream egg mix into your pasta. Pour your egg mix in to your leftover pasta and give that a good mix to combine. In a pan on a medium heat, just add yourself some olive oil. Go straight in with your pasta and egg mix. And just level that out with the back of a spoon. Cook your pasta on a medium heat for about 5 minutes. Then take it off the stove and throw it in an oven preheated at 200 degrees for another 15 minutes until golden and cooked through. Now grab your pan out of the oven, throw a plate on top, and carefully 1, 2, 3, flip it over and reveal your gorgeous Cacio pepper fritter. How gorgeous does that look? Golden on the outside. It is soft, tender, peppery, and filled with pasta in the center. Using only household ingredients and using leftover pasta to make it a delicious meal. What I like to do is top it with some fresh arugula and some gorgeous shaved Parmesan cheese. Hit it with a little olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and you have a super cheap, delicious, and amazing meal ready to feed yourself, your family, and your friends. Do me a favor, guys, if you love this recipe, check it out at bondiharvest.com. Do subscribe and leave some comments below. What would you make your spaghetti fritter out of? Bolognese, carbonara? We're here to start a community. Peace out, stay safe, cook lots.